So, hi guys, this is Fish, and I got this, the Serious thing. I'm gonna test my luck on camera. So, oopsie. You see that? So, open that. Yes. You see? Serious card. Oh, hollow. Yes. The toy. I kind of don't care about it. Yeah. And then this one, and this one. I'm gonna open this Serious one first. So. Yeah, I'm sorry I haven't made a cool video in a long time, so no! Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, man, it's fat. Wow. Cool. So there's one. I'm gonna open the Volta one now because I feel like it's gonna be lucky. So here I'm gonna Inkay, Liriba. Oh, weird. Oh, no way. I'm gonna add this one to my little specialties. Yes. Can I first finish recording this video, please? I'm making a video.
Right now?
Yes. And then I'm gonna open the Mega Blastoise one now. So, oh, no. So, Venipede, Skitty, Diglett, Chespin, wow. Whatever this thing is. So I'm gonna add this one to here because I feel like it needs some specials. And then here's my last one. Please be good. Snivy, Oshawott, Minccino, this. No way. Yes. Hydreigon. Sunfisk. I don't know if that's good. So yeah.
Who is this guy? Who is this?
So these are the ones that are cool. I believe Xerneas, Hydreigon, whatever this thing is, and Xerneas EX. And then the rest I will be willing to trade. Okay, so yeah. Bye guys. Bye. Hi guys, this Fish, and yeah. Bye.